Hello people, welcome back into this channel. Have a great day. Today we will talk about Capcut application and I would like to show you the way how you can change the pitch of the audio of your video clip on a Capcut. I already have this video. Let's just check the audio. Hello people, welcome. So that is the normal audio guys, and the way you can change the pitch of this audio, you just need to go click the clip or the video clip section and you just need to take a look on this bottom feature, slide the feature into the left side until you got the voice effects over here. So you just need to go click it and there will be a lot of effects that you can use, but since we want to only change the pitch, I will suggest you to stay in the basics, and there will be a lot of pitch that you can use. There will be a deep, high and low, and I would like to do a deep one, and here is the result.
Hello people, welcome back into the...
You can also change the intensity or the setting of this effects. You can reducing the pitch and timbre, and this is
Hello
the result.
People, welcome back into this.
So you can just customize everything guys. If you want to hide pitch, go into the hide, and this is the result. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this video a lot. Please don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and let's meet again into other tutorial.